Want to set up Instagram to make money from it? Let's do that. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile page. Now tap the three lines in the top right corner to access more options. Scroll down to For Professionals section. Next, to find and tap on Account Type and Tools. Now select Switch to Professional Account to unlock new features. Tap Next to proceed. Choose the category which describes you best and tap on Switch to Professional Account. Choose if you want to be a creator or a business type of professional. Tap Next. Optionally, finish up setting up the professional account. After that, go back to your profile and access the professional dashboard from your profile for insights. Now tap the gear icon in the top right corner for settings. Then locate monetization status to check if you can earn. If eligible, return to the professional dashboard for more options. Now select branded content and set up needed tools for partnerships. Decide whether to find deals yourself or use an agency. Self-searching gives better control over choices. During posting, just tap More Options to enhance posts. Finally, select Boost Post to earn from brand deals. Subscribe for more useful tips.